Pretty Gritty. Biosculptra has 4 lovely Pretty Gritty shades that have a sugary, sandy texture, applied in 2 thin layers and worn without top coat. Prepare the nail and apply BioBase. Cure for 30 seconds, wipe and buff the surface. With careful control of your gel brush, apply 2 thin layers of Pretty Gritty, curing each layer for 30 seconds. You may wipe if you prefer to stay in routine, but there is no need because Pretty Gritty will cure to a dry finish. Do not apply top coat or gloss.